So okay.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay. So and when you read scientific paper, you will learn more other expression. So, but you have to keep in mind that even uh, if you can write and can read in English, and so you have to have some expression, some mathematical expression, okay, to read paper. There is a lot of there is some people they can read and write in English and speak in English, but uh, they cannot write scientific paper in the good in a good way. So you have to learn scientific to read scientific papers to have some scientific expression. Good. So okay.
Sir, if you, I just want to ask
Yes.
about the words that has like different meaning in like French and English. I don't know,
If,
like clustering and classification. Classification in French is different from the classification in English, so we can encounter some difficulties. So if you have like some advice about that.
uh, really. Okay, what are the words? If I understand the question, what are the words that have significance in English that is different from its meaning in French?
Yeah,
Uh,
exactly.
like okay, I can say that uh, there is not a lot of words that are different from the meaning, the scientific meaning in French. For example, I can say, as we learned before about the inequality, so the vocabulary of inequalities in English is different from the vocabulary in English in French. Uh, when we say, for example, the word that I just said right now, the otherwise, it means uh, I think that in French also it means sinon. Okay.
Teacher,
Maybe yes.
there is an example, for example, in les nombres entiers. Les nombres entiers, alors commence en CC en français du 0. Alors c'est 0, 1, 2, 3, etc.
Yes.
In English, we say that natural numbers starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, etc.
Yes.
And
Yes.
and when we add 0, they call it the whole numbers.
The whole numbers.
Yeah, so for natural numbers, it's just from 1, 2, 3, etc. And the whole numbers is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc.
Okay. Yes.
I think they're called integers too.
No, for integers, it's les entiers relatifs.
Okay.
yes. What else? I'm trying to remember if there is, but I think okay. Uh, Okay, if there is I will share with you if I when I will keep together some other words that are different from the vocabulary in French, and I will try to share it with you after. But now what I can say that okay, I will answer you after. So I will try to bring or to look for to search for some other terminology that are different from the terminology in French. But right now, but there is no big difference from the terminology in English and in French. Yeah, as Mustafa said, sometimes in the reduction you have to specify when you put the set of natural number, you have to specify that this set does not contains zero or contains zero. You have to specify that. And okay, next time I will try to bring together the some words that are different from the terminology in French. Okay.
Okay, sorry.
So next time we will study this. We will see some vocabularies in function, but now we have to do an exercise. Okay. As you know, the last session we saw how to use the website Science Direct and how to look for scientific paper. Okay, and we saw what are the components of a scientific paper, and we study even an abstract of a scientific paper last time. So what we have to do today, we will do this exercise here. So we will read an abstract of a scientific paper. Okay, so you have to read this abstract here carefully, and you answer to the following questions. So you have to extract two main idea, at least. I wrote here two main idea, but at least actually there is many main idea in this abstract. Okay, so read carefully the abstract and extract at least two main idea of the text and four keywords from the text, and give a title of this abstract or of this text. And so using your keywords, you will look at this scientific paper in the website sciencedirect.com. Okay, so I'll give you 20 minutes. Try to read carefully this abstract and answer to the following question. Okay, I can help you. So this abstract is divided on three parts. So we have there is a part that talk about the study object or the purpose or the goal behind this scientific paper, and there is a part that talk about the methodology, and the last part is talk about and the third part, I mean, talk about the solution or the main result. Okay, so you have 20 minutes. Try to read carefully this text and answer to the four question. Okay.
Sir, can we answer?
Okay, if you finish it, so we can start it. So we start by Zainab. Okay. So you answer question by question. Okay. So for the first question, go ahead, Zainab.
Okay. So the first idea is a study has been done in Antalya, Turkey, among 400 women to study the factors that affect the probability of being poor. The
Good.
second idea is the measurement method was the ordinal logic method, which led to the conclusion that um, the main methods to defeat or the main ways to defeat poverty are prioritizing the women empowerment, safety, education, as well as improving their
Yes.
income and employment. For the
Yeah.
second question,
Yes. Excellent.
I
Good.
can cite four keywords who are ordinal
Wait,
logic method,
can you
measurement,
repeat, please, the keywords?
ordinal logic method,
Logit
um,
method. I think Logit.
okay, measurement method. Je crois que qu'en français on dit la fonction logique.
Okay. I think the pronunciation in English is Logit. I think
Okay,
maybe I'm wrong, but I think it's Logit.
okay, I'm gonna look.
Logit method. You can check in I don't know, Google Traduction or Deep Translation,
Yeah,
and you can hear the
yeah,
pronunciation.
sure, thank you. So the second keyword is measurement method, poverty, or we can say women.
Yes.
The
And
third
us,
option
and
is
us. Yes.
we can say women poverty factors, um, 2 points, or we say semi. I can't remember that, or 2 points. A
Yes.
study based on ordinal logic method.
Can you repeat the title?
So it's woman poverty factors, 2 points. A study based on ordinal logic methods.
Okay. Yes. Yes. We can say that. Yes. Okay. It will be better if you specify the place.
So I can
Antalya.
add in Turkey.
Antalya.
Okay.
Okay. Good. So other one. Another one. Yes, Rajia.
For the first question,
Yes.
I will say recognize the factor that influence the probability of women being born in Antalya, and the second main idea is the solution for this, which means the solution for fighting against women's poverty. For
Which
the key,
solution? So you have to write the solution. What is the solution? The first idea is good. Okay. The second idea, what is exactly the solution that you are you talking about? You have to
give
write
it
it
in
down.
details.
You have to write down the solution that you just said.
Okay, the solution is safety and education, fighting against
Yeah. Okay.
women's
Okay. Okay. Yeah. for the keywords?
The keywords, I find
I can't hear you, Rajia. I can't hear you very well. Repeat, please. Repeat, please.
woman being poor,
Yes.
social dimension.
Yes. Yes. Social dimension
The third one is
of women. You can add it.
basis of the analysis.
Basis.
Of the analysis.
Maybe, but it is not a strong. It is not a strong keywords of the text. Yes, we can use it as a keyword, but it is not strong. You know what I mean by strong? For example, if I told you, for example, Antalya is a very strong keyword. You know. Okay?
Yes, because we talk about the place.
Yes, exactly. If I told you the logit method is a very it's a powerful keyword because it is a method that is already known by a lot of okay.
Yes.
Okay, good. For the title,
Maybe prioritize the education for fighting against women's poverty in Antalya.
good.
I think I think it's
Ex-
long.
yeah, what?
It's a long title.
No. It's not in. It is not a long title. Okay, it's excellent title. Okay, there is many paper that have very long than very long title than the title you just said. Okay, okay, and another one, Ahmed برا هنا. Ahmed برا هنا. Can you
Yes.
read what you wrote just?
I think identify the different factors that affect the probability of being poor of women in Italy.
Of being poor. Yes. Okay.
Of women in Italy.
Yeah. Okay. For women, we can say for women.
We for women.
Okay. Yeah. What the sign in the idea? Or just you have one?
We just one.
Okay. Okay. Let's go to the keywords.
I think logit method.
Yes. Good.
Just that.
Okay. We can say Antalya also. We can say measurement method. We can say probability. There is a lot of keywords that you can use. Okay,
Yes.
you can say woman. Woman also is a very powerful keyword. Keyword. Education, maybe. Okay, good. For do you have a title? Do you have a title for the test? The text.
I think uh,
Not yet. Okay, you
not yet.
can think about it. Okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Ayub. Ayub Azmi.
Yes.
Yes, Ayub. Uh, what
Idea
are
of
your
the
answers?
text is study of to identify the factor that affects the probability of being poor of women in Antalya.
Okay,
And for this study, there was employed the ordinal logism method
okay. Yes,
uh,
yes.
and the finding in the finding
Yeah,
uh, they are they are
conclude that maybe.
conclude that
Yeah, they conclude.
uh, the area related to empowerment, safety, and specially education can provide
Can
positive.
you prioritize prioritizing the area? Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. Good.
that's
Yes. Okay. For the keywords, your keywords, Ayub,
yes.
your keywords. What are your keywords?
Uh, a probability
Yes.
and study women
Yeah. Good.
and ordinal logis method.
Okay. Good. Do you have a title? Do you have a title for the text?
Uh, the probability of being poor.
Just of being poor in the world.
That's probability of being poor.
This is a general title. Actually, you have to specify a little bit.
Ah,
Maybe we can say the probability of being
of women. The probability of being poor of women.
poor. Maybe we can say including the social dimension of women or in Antalya, maybe. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. What about Mustafa? Mustafa.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
So for the first question, I have here two ideas. The first one, the study aims to determine the factors that affect the probability of being poor by using the ordinal logits method in Antalya, Turkey.
Yes. Good.
The second, the study concluded that the improvements in income and education can provide positive income for working women in Antalya in
Excellent.
Turkey.
Excellent. Yes. What
For
about the
the
keywords?
keywords probability, ordinal logit, Antalya measurement method, poverty, women's poverty.
Just women poverty. Sorry.
Just women without poverty.
Women.
Okay.
Okay. Poverty, women, or just women poverty.
Just women poverty. Okay. And for
Okay.
the title, identification of the factors that affect the probability of being poor among working women in Antalya, Turkey, by using the ordinal logit method.
This is a very, very long title, but it is acceptable.
Okay.
Yeah, it is acceptable. Okay, good. Asma, Zuhr, Asma. Where are you, Asma? Okay. And there is someone who called proof جرود مات. Proof جرود مات. Okay. So thank you so much for your answers. So as I said before, yeah. Is there
Sir,
anyone?
I just searched about the pronunciation of the function, and I found that it's pronunciated as logit. I'm not sure
Logit.
logit is false because it can have two pronunciations, but I found that people um, read it as logit.
Okay. Thank you, Zainab. Right. So
You're
logit. Okay. So the next week we will learn. We will study some other abstract. So before we have to look for this paper. Actually, the abstract that we just study now is an abstract of such a scientific paper. So we want to look for the paper. So you have to go to sciencedirect.com and you put your keywords and click on search and try to look for the paper. Okay, so I will show you that so everyone can do the same thing. So for example, you can see this my screen, you can see the
No,
or
not
you so I have to share all my screen. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Okay. So you go to now you can see my screen. Yeah.
yeah, you can see it.
Okay. So you go to sciencedirect.com and so here you put your keywords.
women.
So as an example, I will put as logit method. Okay. Logit method. Okay. What else?
We can put Antalya.
Antalya. What else? Women. Yeah.
Women.
Okay. I think this poverty, maybe poverty.
The poor,
Okay. Or poor. Yes, poverty or poor. So these are a strong keywords. So I can click here, search, and so let's check. I think the first one. I think maybe is this first one. So I click on the first one. Is in open access, and I read the abstract. As you see, yes, it's the same abstract. Okay. So this one is the title. So if you find that the abstract that you just read, the abstract of this article is it seems very important for you, so you can download. You have the ability to download the PDF of this paper, and you can read it, read the introduction and the other section. So here there is some keywords. Here we have women's poverty, multidimensional poverty index, AF method, sequential logit method, Antalya. Okay, and this is the introduction. Okay, and the title is this one of the paper: econometric analysis of factor affecting women's multidimensional poverty. Okay, good. So we stop here, and next time we will learn another chapter in mathematical English, and we study some other abstract. And okay, that's it. And the week after the next one, so we start to give presentation. I do not yet receive the presentation title of
Teacher, please, about the presentation.
yes.
So personally, I forgot about the content. So can you please
Seriously,
remind us? Yeah. So can you please
I
remind us?
told you that if you can choose a scientific paper that you search for a scientific paper and just read the main result, and if it seems very interesting for you, you can give a presentation on that by just presenting the main result without even read, because it seems hard for you I think, because to read all the whole paper, because it takes time. So you can just know the main result and try to present it. Okay. Or if you can't do that, you can just choose such topic, but in mathematics or in economics, and try to make a presentation. But the purpose of this presentation is to respect the principles of a conference presentation. Okay.
Okay, teacher. And what about the number of slides?
So I said that you have between 10 minutes and 50 minutes, 10 minutes and 50 minutes for the presentation. So you have to balance between your slides and the allowed time.
Okay, teacher. Thank you.
Okay. Is there any other question?
No, sir. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Rajia?
We are going to present it, or just we are going to send it to you?
No, to present it. You have to send to me first the title. Yeah, the title of your presentation, and your name and your name and the title of your presentation, and not next week, the week after the next one. So we will start to give presentations. Okay.
Okay, inshallah.
Sure. Okay, thank you so much for your attention, and so see you next week, inshallah.
Thank you, teacher. Bonsoir.
Thank you.
That's fine.
Bonsoir.